Listen, count out $450. You need to put your stacks
20,
of 100s. Okay.
40,
Uh-huh.
60, 80, 100.
Okay.
20, 40, 60. You know, that's easy.
I know.
80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400.
Now you need $50 more.
10,
You can use 20s to make 50.
That's the good idea.
Okay.
20, 40, 50.
Thank you. Now, why would you sit there and make me look crazy? So, show me 450. So, now count your hundreds. How many? Show me stacks of hundreds. Point to your stacks. There you go. How many is that? 1, 2. Tell me what you're doing.
3, 4, and 5.
Makes what? How much is it?
$450.
Thank you.